In this video, we are going to show you how to use sequences in ChatRace. To do that, you first need to create a flow or flows to add to the sequence. Once you already have your flow, navigate to Tools. Then choose Sequences of Messages. Add a message. Select the flow you created. Once set, please click Save. Now, go to Flows again. Create a flow where you need to add the Subscribe to Sequence action. This will be your trigger to send the sequence you just created. Once the flow is done, click Publish. It's time to test. There you have it. You just learned how to use sequences in ChatRace. See you in the next video.